How to fix Telegram login problem. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Telegram login problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if you got this SMS or the message that unable to send SMS, please try again later problem on Telegram, then worry not. First of all, what you need to do is simply make sure that you have the updated version of Telegram app. If not, open Play Store and check for the updates of Telegram. If you see any update button on Telegram, tap on update to update it to the latest version. Now what you need to do is make sure that the number you have entered is correct. If the number is not available, then there will be problem or the message pop up on your screen saying unable to send SMS. If your number is not correct or are not available on your region, then you need to try entering the other number and try log into your Telegram application. Doing so also, if your problem is not resolved, you need to simply tap and hold the Telegram application. Now tap on install button, tap on uninstall and uninstall it on a device. After that, you can easily go to Play Store and reinstall from here. So once you do that, you need to open Telegram app and you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. So let's enter our number and try logging in. Tap start messaging button and here tap on continue button. Enter the country's code, country's name and your phone number. So we have successfully entered to this section. That means we fixed Telegram login problem and easily sign into the Telegram app. So in this way, you can also fix Telegram login problem. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.